IAM versus resource-based policies. Identity-based policies are JSON permissions policy documents that you can attach to an identity such as user, group of users, or role. These policies control what actions an entity, that is a user or role, can perform, on which resources, and under what conditions. Resource-based policies are JSON policy documents that you attach to a resource, such as an S3 bucket. These policies grant the specified principal permission to perform specific actions on that resource and define under what conditions this applies. When to use IAM policies versus resource-based policies. If you're interested in what can this user do in AWS, then IAM policies are the way to go. If you're interested in who can access this S3 bucket, then S3 bucket policies will suit better. Thank you. If you want to know more about various AWS services and AWS certification courses, reach out to us on the following links.